That's what they wanted, Australia.
Boulder with an absolute peach of a delivery.
Bowled in! Right through! Oh, bowls him!
Jilks as well.
Oh, it does it! Takes the top of off. Oh, bowls him! He was appealing for LBW, was he, Berendorf?
Oh, Sutherland's just ripped through Bryant.
Oh, yeah! Bowls in, what a beautiful wrong-in.
Oh, that is an absolute beauty.
Bowled him, beautifully bowled. Quick delivery. Oh, he's got him! Hat-trick! Michael Nisa!
Dorcius again. Oh, bowled him!
Wow.
That is a ripper. And
Kim Garth. Oh, knocks her over!
Got him! Straight through.
Bowls in, what a cracking delivery there. From
Here now with Carlisle. Full delivery knocks him over.
Bowled! Norkia breaks through!
Got her! Jensen gets it to Nick back. And... Oh,
bowled. A ripper from Stark.
and he's bowled him.
He's bowled him.
Bowled, beautifully done. That's it. Bowled him. Or the full one. Bowled him. That's how you get him out.
It's a good guess.
Educated guess, I'd call that.
Oh,
Oi.
straight through.
Wonderful, man.
That's bowled him. Gone through Bancroft.
Packed cordon.
Bowled him!
Got him!
Oh, straight through Clark.
Let's get back into.
Got him! It's an absolute ripper!
Oh, there's a big wicket. Oh, gone!
Nicely bowled, and he's knocked him over.
Yeah. Bravery from Darcy Brown. Oh, the googly through the defences.
Oh, he's bowled him.
In the team. Surely she's seen you in action.
Bowls in.
And that's bowled him.
Tasmania. And gone first ball.
And he's bowled